Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change the spark plugs on a Kia 2.4 liter engine. This is going to be basically the same process for most models that have the same engine. This is a very easy job and requires minimal tools and shouldn't take you more than 30 minutes to complete. So let's get started. All right, the first thing you're going to do is just pop off this cover. There's 4 corners, it'll pop off. Just lift it up. Set it out of the way. All right, once you get the cover off, you're going to be able to see your coils, which are going to be 4 of them right here. And each one's going to be held on with a 10mm bolt. Also a good idea to go ahead and blow out any of this dust before you start as well. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and loosen up each coil real quick. Okay, and just go ahead and remove the bolts just so you don't lose them. Set those out of the way for now. Alright, so now we're just going to do one at a time. So go ahead and lift the first boot up. Give it a good inspection, make sure there's no rust or any damage to the dust cover. Everything looks good on this one, so we're going to go ahead and change that plug out. So for these plugs, I'm going to use a 5/8 plug socket. It has a little rubber boot in it. Just slide that down over the plug and then just remove it. Pull your plug out. So when pulling old spark plugs, you want to check for wear, color, and buildup. This tan color on the plug looks good. If it's black, that means your fuel is running too rich. And if you see any white, that means it's probably running too hot. If there's any cracks or oil buildup on the plugs, then you might have bigger engine problem. But these look good, so we're going to go ahead and change these out. So just comparing them just to make sure they look the same size, everything looks good. Now we just want to make sure we check the gap. So this is the 2.4 liter, so the gap should be 0.044. And they're good to go. If you have a little dielectric grease, I like to put some of this on the ceramic of the plug and the top side. Just rub a little bit on there. That'll protect your ceramic from marking if it ever gets any cracks in it, and it'll keep out some of that moisture. Just don't get any on this side. Take your plug socket, slide it in there, and then just go ahead and start it by hand. If you do have a torque wrench, go ahead and torque it to around 13 foot-pounds. Once you get it tight, go ahead and replace your coil back over the plug. Go ahead and put the coil back down and replace your 10mm bolt. Just snug them up, you don't need to over tighten them. And then just repeat the same process for each one. All right, then we're just gonna replace the cover, just get it lined up, and then it pushes right straight down. And you're good to go. All right, well that's how you change the spark plugs on a Kia 2.4 liter engine. If you found the video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.
Go, go, go.